Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we've got some Stitchy Witch unboxing to do. So this came from One Day Saving with my last batch of diamond painting bits and bobs from them. And I wanted to do a separate video for it because it was cross stitch and because it's a bigger project than anything that I've tackled before. So let's get this open and see what we get inside. Right, so, oh goodness, that's a lot of threads. Okay, so this is, I'll show you here, a countdown to Halloween cross stitch. So obviously a bit of an odd one to be picking up in the middle of the summer. However, I was thinking that I would do a stitch along in October. So, well, yeah, in the run up to Halloween, to Samhain. So let's have a look. We've got all of our threads here. So we've got, obviously, as you'd expect, lovely autumnal colours, some greens, a lovely purple, a big whole chunk here of what is something like 939, I would have thought. Have we actually got any black? No black, so interesting. But yeah, so lots of that. We get 2 needles, fairly standard, pretty tiny, and then yeah, it's a very sturdy fabric for the cross stitch, and this has got the printed patterns which will then either with water or heat, it probably explains some, oh, does it? Yes, it does. Okay, so to give you a little bit of information, it's a partial embroidery because we are not going to be embroidering the white sections from what I can tell. The cloth has got the numbers and symbols on it so that we can match up what we're doing. Yeah, normally these printed canvases you can remove the colour either with heat or with a little bit of water. I'm not sure what the case is here, but I would test it on one of these little edge numbers that doesn't matter, just so that we can see. So for each day, here we've got day number 1, which is a cat and a pumpkin. Obviously the colours on the canvas do not represent the colours of the final picture. That is what the day will actually look like. So we've got a dark coloured cat. And then down this side, we've got our DMC numbers and the symbols so that we know what we're looking for. So for example, the cat is yellow and number 14, so we can find number 14 down here and we know that that's 939. What I will probably do is try and get the grid done up before the start of October, and then I will be filling in each square as we go through October. Whether I do that as a daily video or not, I'm not entirely sure. It depends on demand and what else I've got on at the time. However, I will do daily uploads to Facebook and Instagram, and then obviously I'll do either a weekly or at the end of the month I'll do an update video, much like I have done with the Great Create and other events that I've taken part in. And this isn't part of any particular event, I just thought it would be a nice way to get such a large project completed and a lovely way to count down to Samhain. So yeah, it's as I say, the biggest thing I've ever attempted. It seems like a relatively simple kit. It is just cross stitch, but it is a 50 by 50. Having said that, is it 50 by 50? Let us have a look. 35, 40. So I think we're going to get, so it's 35, about 39 by, yeah, so it's 39 by 39 centimetres of actual printed area. I'm assuming the 50 by 50 is this whole, yeah, that will be for the whole thing. I'm going to stop talking because my voice is incredibly croaky today. I just wanted to share this with you so that I had done the unboxing and you'd been able to have a little look. And then obviously come October, I will have more to show. It looks like it would be something fun to do. I think I might even look at transferring some of these very simple images into diamond painting. We do have a very small sort of grid pattern, but yeah, it could be something that's fun to look at, using either for maybe little diamond painted key rings or some coasters or something. I'm sure there are many different things that I could do. So I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to stop talking and wish you all a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty.